Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if 12x plus 4 is equal to 20, what is the value of 6x plus 5? So first we have to use this equation, 12x plus 4 is equal to 20, to solve for x. So we want to get x alone so we can subtract both sides by 4, then these cancel, 4 minus 4, and we're just left with 12x is equal to 20 minus 4, which is 16. Again, we want to get x alone, so we divide by 12, and leaves us with x is equal to 16 divided by 12. If you want to simplify this, you can divide the numerator and the denominator by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our value of x is 4/3. We're not looking for x, we're looking for 6x plus 5. So all we have to do is take this expression and plug in 4/3 for x. So this is 6x becomes 6 times 4/3 plus 5. 6 times 4 is 24/3 plus 5. 24 divided by 3 is 8, again plus 5, and 8 plus 5 is 13. So if 12x plus 4 is equal to 20, what is the value of 6x plus 5? 13D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.